Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
Hello, all over the world. My message to Benin Republic government. My name is Said Olukotun. I am one of Yoruba musician. I'm singing to everyone all over the world. I came to support our senior brothers, Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. And I want to talk a little about him and about our federal government. That's what they are calling Nigeria. Our federal government, let me say, we don't understand them again. Because we dictate that our federal government is working or sponsoring some kidnappers, killing citizens, kidnapping citizens with so many unknown gunmen. I, personal person, I'm a musician. Because of the issue, I turned myself to agitator for my people. And I stand for my people as a Yoruba son. We are Yoruba. You know, we have a three type in Nigeria. We have Hausa and we have Igbo. Definitely we have Yoruba. Now, luckily, Fulani is our president. And our president, Muhammadu Buhari, we don't know, maybe he's still alive or others. That's not my judgment today. But what I came here to do, our Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho is a good man. I stand with him, and all of us in Yoruba land stand with him. He came and stand to rescue everyone, because we Yoruba people are killing every day. Our federal government use unknown gunmen to collect a ransom every day. We can't travel to one place to another. We are suffering in our country, and we never experience this, and we call ourselves one. So some of Yoruba now stand up to divide. Some of language stand up to divide. Igbo call themselves Biafra. Yoruba land call themselves Oduduwa. And Hausa people also ready to separate. So that is why we came out. We don't kill people, we don't fight anyone, we just do the rally. We are announced to our people just to show awareness where we want to go. Because this country, we don't understand Nigeria again. So we are struggling to divide. Maybe we can stay peacefully. And our Nigerian national anthem tell us that this country is peacefully, but we surprised that is not peacefully. Our government supports 10 bandits, Boko Haram, to be killing people, and funny, some of our Nigeria police, some, because we have Yoruba in police, we have Hausa in police, we have Fulani in police, and we have Igbo in police. But possibly, I surprised that Nigeria police, Nigeria forces, they turn themselves to kidnapper, to murderer. They are killing people every day. We never face the challenges, and we don't even have this experience in our country. So I want to beg Benin Republic government What is going on in Nigeria so bad? No one of citizens happy what is going on here. As a musician, I need to stand up. I need to wake up because I am not happy. Sunday Igboho is a good man. He's a good man. He's a good man 100%. He wants his people to be okay. He wants his people to be free out of this sovereignness. He wants his people alive. He defends his people on the right way, and we know Sunday Igboho as a powerful man. This is the first son, Yoruba son, that I will see. Let me just say, that I saw for the first time stand with his people. Sunday Igboho is not a thief. He's not a criminal. He's not killing anybody. He's fighting against corruption in the country. And our government refused to listen to citizens. Our government prefer to kill citizens because of money, because of the post. We don't challenge them about the post, but we just care how we be safe. Please and please, and I want to beg you, Benin Republic government, if it is any way to stand with us, to protect us, please, we still need your help. And we need all over the world help. Both Arab countries, United States, others. And we beg you, we still need your help. Anyway, you can rescue us because we know as citizens Nigeria, we are in danger. We are in danger. This is why I came this morning, beg all over the world, as a musician, and I stand with my people because I, as citizen in Yoruba land. The frustration cannot let me proud of Nigeria again. We decided to separate because what is going on in this country we don't understand again. Please and please, please and please, all over the world government, stop doing business with Nigeria because Nigeria don't care to kill everybody. They are calling citizens. Please and please, Joe Biden and others, I want to beg you, especially in this Yoruba land, Fulani came to kill, DSS came to kill, police came to kill, some military bandits came to kill. We don't understand again. Sunday Igboho is a good man, and we citizens will stand for him. He's a good man, let me say 100%. We're proud of him. We stand with him because he's doing the right thing. I want to beg all over the world to keep supporting and standing with us. We need your help urgently because we know we citizens, we are in danger already. We are in danger already. I want to beg you all over the world, and I will beg you all over the world. We citizens, we Yoruba citizens, we are in danger. Fulani people is happy that they are killing us every day. They are raping our girls. They are raping some wife in front of his husband. Many bad things happen in Nigeria, and our government keep silent, saying nothing. Still defend those kidnappers, defend those killers. We don't understand. Some of our Yoruba king, we don't rely on them again because some already has a plan. Let me use deal with Nigeria government. They are a politician, so we can't rely on them because they say nothing about this issue, and they are killing our people every day in our country. We are suffering every day. We don't smile on this. Our economy is so bad. We have no choice. We are keep praying how everything will be okay. Please, I want to beg all over the world. Help us one way and or other. Help us, please, we need your help. Our life is in danger already in this country. We have no choice, we have no power, and we have no weapon to defend ourselves. But only Fulani people. And did you know Amina J. Muhammad, as his secretary in United States to Nigeria, is Fulani lady, Fulani woman. And the woman said nothing, give his people power to be killing another tribe. They are calling Igbo and Yoruba. They are killing us every day. I am a Yoruba son. I stand for my people. And Sunday we will stand for his people. How everything will be okay. How everything will be fine. But our government refused. Our government was not allow us to talk anything. They are killing us. And our constitution accepts to do rally and to talk. We are Alagbada, they call Alagbada time. We are not a military regime. But we surprised that we cannot talk. We cannot open up what is paining us. And they call themselves our father. We surprised on this bad issue. Please and please all over the world. We need your help. We need your help. If it is any way to rescue us as a Yoruba citizen, we want to separate. We want to separate because we already confirmed that there is no love in this country again. Igbo call themselves Biafra. That's Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu also fight for his people. How everything will be okay. But I came here today because of our son, our brothers, our fathers, our leaders, called Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. So please and please, my name is Saidi. God bless Benin Republic God bless Benin Republic government. God bless United States. God bless every other country. I believe God can never bless Nigeria because Nigeria was not have any achievement since 1960, except killing, kidnapping, stealing, robbery, and lies. They will lies for his people they will do light, they will do so, and they will fail the promise. They will fail it. So we don't care about that. We just need your help. God bless everyone, and God bless my Yoruba nation. My name is Said Olukotu.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.